Dashera, Diwali, Christmas. Celebrations immense, but also a lot of expense. But don't worry, because budgeting can be as easy as playing Uno. Wait, I'll show you how just using 5 simple tips. शुरुआत सेविंग से करो, स्पेंडिंग से नहीं. List down all your festive spending and with every transaction, set aside 10% of the amount for your savings or emergency fund immediately. The lowest card can make the biggest difference, making a big purchase which is not a necessity. Just wait for one day before purchasing. It might save you from making an impulse buy, or you may also find an offer on it. Pay attention to your payments using Pays app. It provides all the details so you can find the right budget for you. Have more time to pay, get great discounts and offers, earn more reward points, and build your credit score. Draw all 4 benefits with this one card. I, FG Moneysha, am your wild card because I will give you the latest updates and tips to spend and save smartly. So follow now because for more how to wow tips on finance, FG Moneysha hai hamesha. Follow FG Moneysha to make better money choices.